The first time I set foot on Jamaican soil, I knew I was somewhere special. The air was thick with the scent of salt and hibiscus. The sun beat down with a warm embrace. A reggae rhythm drifted from a nearby bar, weaving its way into my soul. I was instantly captivated. This wasn't just a vacation, it was the beginning of a love story. Jamaica isn't just a place, it's a feeling. It's the infectious laughter of the people, the vibrant colors of the houses, the ever-present rhythm of life. It's a place where worries seem to melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and belonging. It's a place that gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've left. Jamaica has a way of making you feel alive. Whether you're exploring the lush rainforests, swimming in crystal-clear waters, or simply relaxing on the beach, there's a sense of magic in the air. It's a place where you can truly connect with yourself, with nature, and with the vibrant spirit of the Jamaican people. It's a place that calls you back time and time again. Jamaica's history is a complex tapestry woven with threads of triumph and tragedy. From the indigenous Taino people to the arrival of the Spanish and then the British, the island has witnessed centuries of change. The legacy of slavery and colonialism has left deep scars, but the Jamaican people have emerged with an indomitable spirit. Through struggle and hardship, Jamaicans have forged a strong identity. They have fought for their freedom, their rights, and their cultural heritage. Their resilience is evident in their music, their art, and their unwavering spirit. It's a history that deserves to be remembered and honored. The story of Jamaica is one of resistance, perseverance, and ultimately hope. From the maroon communities who escaped slavery and established their own independent settlements, to the activists who fought for independence, the Jamaican people have never given up. Their strength is an inspiration to us all. Jamaican culture is a vibrant explosion of music, dance, art, and storytelling. From the pulsating rhythms of reggae and dancehall to the colorful costumes of Yonkonu, Jamaican culture is a celebration of life. It's a culture that embraces its African roots while forging its own unique identity. Music is the heartbeat of Jamaica. From the legendary Bob Marley to contemporary artists like Chronix and Coffee, Jamaican music has captivated the world. It's a music that speaks of love, struggle, and social justice. It's a music that moves you, both physically and emotionally. Dance is another integral part of Jamaican culture. From the energetic movements of dancehall to the traditional dances of the Kumina and Jonkonu, Jamaican dance is a powerful expression of identity and community. It's a way of connecting with the past while celebrating the present. A culinary paradise, the flavors of Jamaica. Jamaican cuisine is a tantalizing blend of flavors, spices, and traditions. From the fiery jerk chicken to the savory ackee and saltfish, Jamaican food is a feast for the senses. It's a cuisine that reflects the island's rich history and cultural diversity. The flavors of Jamaica are bold and unforgettable. Scotch bonnet peppers add a fiery kick to many dishes, while allspice, thyme, and ginger create a complex and aromatic blend. From street food vendors to upscale restaurants, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Jamaican food is more than just sustenance, it's an experience. It's a way of connecting with the land, the people, and the vibrant spirit of the island. It's a taste that will stay with you long after you've left. Jamaica, a piece of my heart. Jamaica is more than just an island, it's a feeling, a state of mind, a piece of my heart. It's a place that has changed me in profound ways, teaching me about resilience, joy, and the power of human connection. It's a place I will always return to. The beauty of Jamaica lies not just in its stunning landscapes but in the warmth and generosity of its people. They have a way of making you feel welcome, like you belong. It's a sense of community that is rare and precious. Jamaica is a place that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place that calls you back, whispering promises of adventure, relaxation, and connection. It's a place I will always cherish. Bless up, General. Big up to Massive.